Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are changing oil in the GT500. Okay, I figured I'd talk to you guys about this real quick as I'm changing the oil, because it's something I learned over the years. One of the issues with the GT500 when you change the oil is the filter, or oil filter. The oil filter is basically set up this way. So you unscrew and you pull out, but in the process, a lot of oil comes out from the filter and drips all over the subframes and makes a mess on the floor. So what I've learned over the years is you simply take a Ziploc bag, or any plastic bag for that matter, and you put the filter over it as you are unscrewing it. And at one point, when it breaks the seal, oil is going to start leaking down the filter, and you capture most of that oil in the actual Ziploc bag, minimizing the need for cleanup afterwards. So that's tip number one. Second tip is, when you have the filter off, take a look underneath at the threads to make sure that this rubber seal O-ring has not separated from the filter, and it's still attached to the filter housing. Problem is, if you forget to do that and you put in a new filter, you got two seals there, and then as you start the car, oil pressure will leak through those seals, and all of a sudden you lost 9 quarts of fresh oil. Don't ask me how I know. Now, see the oil coming out? All catching it in the bag. How cool is that? Alright, so take a look at this. This is the drain pan I used for the oil. Doesn't look that messy, does it? All the oil is in here for the old filter. And here, one of the things I want to show you is, notice how the old filter does not have the O-ring on there. You see that? Where is the O-ring? The O-ring is right here. This was stuck to the thread of the engine. If I had not noticed it, I put the new oil filter on with the new seal on it, rubber seal on it, I would have pretty much lost all of my oil in the first startup. So please be careful. You'll get it. You'll only make this mistake once in your life, and then you'll start looking for this every time you change oil. So, FYI. We are doing the half-mile event in May. I'll be participating in the GT350 Track Attack Experience in Utah at the Ford Performance facility. It's one of the perks of buying a GT350 from the dealership, so I'm really excited for that. I'll fly up to Utah and do some sessions out there. Hopefully I'll be able to capture some footage for the channel and share my experience with you guys. And then in August, Shelby Mini Nationals events in Sonoma, California. Usually I do this event with the GT500. It is a road course event, but now since I bought the GT350 specifically for the road course, I will participate in with the GT350. So lots of footage to come, very exciting stuff to come on the channel. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.